try to look the game about to start. I show you in my short video this morning about 2 hours ago that this place, it looked like a swimming pool. You see, it's just the decoration. Everybody just come to sitting down. I told you it's for just decoration. See now, see the baby, all the baby there. They will play one by one, just waiting for the game to start. 2, or you see, 1. Now game starting. Now you need to kill all those games. They are coming now. Look, look. You see, he play with his brother, you know. And after finish, you see, they try to take the brother out of the game. Now the lady play alone. Okay, you see, run away. Yeah, run away. Yeah, wow. You see, it's like you need to kill some colors, you know. You see, and after finish, it will give him the point. How many points that is scored? How many points that is scored? You see, finish. You see, it's called small number. That is it. It's what we want in Yoruba land. Let us go. This is more. You see, more. I told you this more. Go to 5 story. You can count. I will go slowly with you. This is ground floor. You see, this floor is a ground floor. Now let us count now. Second floor. That is, let's say, first floor. Sorry. Number 1. Look. Number 2. Look. Number 3. Look. Number 4. Look. Number 5. You see that Nike shop, that is number 5. You see, number 6, another one, number 7, the last one. You see, on top the roof. You see, 7th floor. 7th floor. You see, that is it. All those up there is a shop, different shop, you see, different shop. You see, Tudor, expensive watch. You see, Beckham, born today, David Beckham. You see, that is designer. You see, that is it. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Please subscribe to our channel, Yoruba Nation Lafe TV. You see, this one scored only 9,900. The first one tried, the score 10,000 something. You see, 10,100. This one is 9,900. You see, Yoruba Nation, no going back. I will be showing you. This is Hong Kong. See, very beautiful mall. One of the mall that is beautiful is one of them. Here in Hong Kong, many beautiful mall. If I'm not mistaken, you can count it 1, 2, 3, more than 300. Beautiful, you see. Let's get Yoruba Nation. Africa, wake up. Only way you can get this beautiful mall like this is only South Africa. I don't know another place. Only South Africa. Where you can get it, nowhere.